Welcome back to Lynx Fixes. Today we're going to be changing a leaking tap. We're going to replace the washer in the tap. Find the water main to your house and turn it off. We're going to turn the tap on to make sure there's no water pressure, and then we can just take the top of the tap off. Take the old washer out and put the new washer in. Then we're going to put the top of our tap back on. Making sure it's super tight so no water leaks out when we turn our water main back on. We're going to turn our tap back off and turn our water mains on. We turn our mains back on and check the tap for leaks. That's how we fix a leaking tap. Thanks for watching.